Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s over number 2. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over 2 cosecant of s over 2 square ds. Because we don't have negative 1 over 2, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one with ds we change for this one. The integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.